All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about a diamond cutting disc from Matco tools. Disclosure, I paid for these. Matco didn't send them to me. I paid for them off the truck. Matco part number 8151, 3-inch diameter, 3-in-1 diamond grinding wheel. It grinds, it cuts, it undercuts. 3-inch. And the 2-inch part number is 8120, and they are diamond grinding / cutting discs. Now I bought them thinking, maybe might come in handy here and there. Well, yeah, they come in handy. Now we're all familiar with the Ziz Wheel of Death. You know why it's called that. You know why you wear safety glasses. It's not hard for this thing to come apart and, fly everywhere and, So, always something that can be a little nerve-wracking to use, especially like on this without a guard. These are metal. It is a diamond impregnated grinding wheel, cutting wheel, etc. I've not used the 2-inch, but I have used the 3-inch. In fact, had a galled up axle nut on a BMW for coal. Use this to cut the axle nut apart, go into the CV axle, helping to kind of get it moving. Very, very impressive. Really impressed with this. And for anybody asking, no, I have not tried it on the Milwaukee's. I just haven't done it. I had this one spare, open, and available, so I stuffed it in this one. Figured I would try it, and, very impressive. They grind, they cut. Undercut, I guess, if you're, welding. But we're going to cut some stuff up and see how it does. As Eric O would say, engage safety squints. All right, we're going to hold on to it, and we're going to go ahead and cut it apart. Pretty impressive. Now again, it grinds. Seriously. The 2-inch model does not have the screw, so that one won't come loose, but definitely impressive. Like I said, it grinds, it cuts. So again, if you need to cut a bushing apart, See, so if you know, can't use a torch, you can always cut it. And how many Ziz wheels would you have gone through doing that? I can use this again and again. So very cool product. I'm impressed. The fact that I don't have to change a bunch of Ziz wheels, very cool. And disengage safety squints. But anyway, don't have to change out Ziz wheels often. I mean, very impressive, very cool. I like it, and less danger of, you know, well, dying. So, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.